When it comes to driving in our day-to-day lives, we all fear from getting into accidents. Having to spot any ghosts and unusual incidents is a whole different story. Here are 13 scariest things caught on Dashcam. Number 13. These two guys seem to be driving down this road thinking it's just another normal day, until they spot something sitting right in the middle of the street, without any movement.
My mistakes are one. Huh? My mistakes are one. I think I see lights. Oh no, that's just street lights.
Okay, that's a bit scary.
Yeah.
That's a bit scary.
That is very scary.
That's
Alright, my traction control just came on.
Yeah,
Number 12. You will probably replay this clip countless times. Look closely at the car in front that's about to make a left turn. Everything looks normal, right? Out of nowhere, right in front of it, a car will randomly appear and pass through. Very strange since there was no sight of it to begin with. Number 11. This next one is definitely the scariest ghost encounter I've ever seen. Driving at night can be scary let alone, but seeing an actual ghost right in front of you is 5 times scarier. This driver witnessed an actual ghost as he was driving. Take a look. Number 10. This dashcam captured the most intense tornado ever. A whole car was swallowed by a tornado vortex. Luckily, the woman that you're about to see surprisingly survived it. She is definitely the most luckiest person. Number 9. This motorcyclist definitely got his heart racing from what he just witnessed. His camera captured a woman figure standing still on the right side, and he got spooked. You can easily tell by his reaction. Number 8. Clowns are supposed to be fun, but when it comes to how some behave, they can be utterly terrifying. These two clowns were arrested, supposedly because they were carrying knives, and no one knew why. What a bunch of clowns.
Guys, just make sure to keep your hands where we can see them, alright?
Alright, 217 down 10. 217.
I want you guys to come up to this barrier right here. Go ahead and put your butts against it.
634.
Number 7. This is not your average police chase that you will ever see. Some things can never be explained. This white car the cops are after is definitely out of the ordinary. They follow the car thinking they'll catch it, but something very weird happens. As soon as the car makes a left turn, it disappears and goes through the white fence.
In just a moment, he's going to make a turn into the twilight zone. Watch. The fence at the end means no way out, or does it? Even watching it again, cops are unable to make sense of it. All they see is an intact fence and nothing more than the vanishing taillights of what the Garden City PD has come to call the ghost car.
Number 6. Sometimes we all appreciate the view nature gives us, but in this case, it gave a little way too much for these passengers. All the trees unexpectedly fell in front of them, causing a terrifying experience.
Все, фронты. Дай ход, давай, дай ход.
Number 5. Something tells me I should never be driving at night anymore. This next footage is very creepy. A guy comes across this woman dressed in a white dress. She runs towards him while he yells and tells her to back away. She still continues to put her head down and comes towards him. I would have definitely ran her over. Number 4. This is another one of the unexplained dashcam footages. This driver witnesses something unusual at night. As he's driving, he sees a man with a briefcase running towards other members of his own. Very scary as they all start to move in a very strange way. Number 3. Sometimes we all second guess ourselves as to what we just saw, but when we capture it on camera, then we can easily tell that it's some sort of a strange being. This is what these married couples saw. They both witnessed it and made sure that it wasn't just one of them who saw it.
Where did it go? They walked in front of the car, right?
Yeah, it was like a wheelchair or something.
That's what happened.
It wasn't our soda.
I saw it too. I thought a goddamn ghost? Butterfly hair, also, you know.
Number 2. Just another normal day at driving a truck, when suddenly a person appears out of nowhere and makes the truck swerve. The person then proceeds to walk out of the streets like nothing happens. Very strange. Number 1. It can be a total disaster when something appears out of nowhere while driving. Well, this is what happened for this guy. Technically not something like a ghost or a person, but more like a tree.